Hey guys, it's Will. Hopefully you're having a great day today. I'm going to show you guys my positions today and we're going to get into Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab is one of those stocks I've been trading on and off really for the past couple of months. And I really want to show you guys how I made this trade, what kind of went through my mind, and how we're able to capitalize on what's $493, 496. I'm thinking I'm actually going to sell this position um, very quickly on the short term. On the long term, I'll definitely be holding some Rocket Lab. I'm going to be buying and selling and really moving money into Rocket Lab. The reality of this stock is that they are a direct competitor with SpaceX. In their own unique way, they have figured out a way to launch satellites for companies that are similar to Starlink and be able to be a front runner in the aerospace and rockets industry. And so, not only is that good for rockets exploration, we're talking about new innovations that they will uncover in pushing the limits of humankind. So, I'm actually going to sell this position right now because I could tell that it looks like it's going to sell off right this minute. So, let's go ahead and sell. I'm going to sell this. We got that full amount of shares, just selling for about 470 profits, and I just sold and it just filled. So I believe it's going to do some selling off here. I will 100% be getting back into Rocket Lab in a very short amount of time. Don't even fret. I think that as soon as market opens on Monday, there will most likely be one of these things that always happens. It literally always drops right at market open, and then it shoots up. Like right here at 6:30 a.m. Boom, shoots up right here. Boom, shoots up. It literally happens. Right. This is the entry I got earlier at 6:30 a.m. Boom, it dropped down before shooting up. It's like clockwork. And so right now I'm just sold. I believe it's gonna sell off some more. We'll see what happens. But ultimately that'll be my next entry is at market open on Monday. Most likely, if not then we could see maybe on Tuesday. Now, Rocket Lab, again, they are innovating. They're one of the companies you want to watch. And I plan to be trading them a lot. You can see these levels. Right now, it's at a resistance. It recently broke above this previous level. This next run that we could see happen. So, again, I'm expecting it to maybe get rejected here a little bit. Could see some sell off, maybe even down to this level, as we've seen it do really in the past a lot. But the next levels, which I'm 100% certain we will see Rocket Lab reach, okay? I'm very certain that this will happen, is that we're going to see Rocket Lab go to $35 to $40 a share. The next level would be 30, or I guess next level would be this resistance around $28 a share before really pushing up. And I believe that's what's next for Rocket Lab, and we're going to see that happen. Um, and hey, I hope that you guys are able to take advantage of it. We're up 10% on the day throughout all of our trades. We got some AMDL, we got some MSTU. I just entered an AMDL $2,000 option trade. Look, it's not that much for some people. For me, it is a unique experience to do these longer term call options that are more risky. I like to sell puts and get that guaranteed premium up front. But that's what we're doing with the AMDL. And I'll keep you guys updated on Rocket Lab. Definitely will be trading Rocket Lab. But again, some of you guys, I know it always happens when I talk about it. You guys are like, what are you doing trading? I just see a lot of moves. Hey, my YouTube videos are right there, guys. Thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing. That's us when I search AMD and Starlink. How cool is that? There's some other great news on AMD and Starlink that I'm really excited for. It's like T-Mobile and SpaceX. When that partnership happened, T-Mobile went parabolic. They went absolutely insane after the partnership with Starlink. And I think the same, if not the data centers, if not the GPUs, if not the AI industry, On top of that, AMD has partnered with Starlink. And so I'm looking now, what are the next companies that are going to be partnering with Rocket Lab? I want to know what companies are partnering with Rocket Lab. In fact, I have a friend that works at Rocket Lab. I gotta know, what are the GPUs that are inside of Rocket Lab, or what are the GPUs that are in those Kineas satellites that are getting launched by Rocket Lab. See, Rocket Lab has launched over 200 plus satellites, and there is a large constellation of satellites from this company, Kineis, um, and their satellites have the goal of providing that connectivity that is allowing you to track, locate your assets, monitor, optimize your activities. And this is as a result of Rocket Lab's launching. So when you guys look at Rocket Lab here, you can see they have been launching. They got a lot of great innovations happening, and I'm just very, very excited to see the future of what's going on with Rocket Lab. So this company, they have the satellites. I'm trying to learn more about this company. What what GPUs are they using? What are the some of the tech that's going into these satellites, and what companies are partnering with Rocket Lab, as we'll want to keep you updated on those things. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. If you did enjoy, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to get the best AI and tech stocks, as well as space and quantum computing stocks, you want to know how to invest in them effectively, I encourage you to check out the second link down below. That's StockMate. You can watch me trade live. You get access to our AI stock trading system list. If you want to be on there, it's launching today. So I'm really excited to get that out to you guys, and I look forward to working with you guys closely. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.